This video was created as post-tour information for students of National University of Medical Sciences (NUMS) who visited Mukshpuri Top in June 2022 under the patronage of NUMS administration and Hiking Society. Mukshpuri is a mountain peak located in Ayubia National Park. Stay with me until the end to learn more about Ayubia National Park and Mukshpuri. Ayubia National Park, commonly known as Ayubia, is a protected area covering 33 km square area in Abbottabad district, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. It was designated as a national park in 1984. Ayubia was named after Pakistan's second president, Muhammad Ayub Khan. With an average elevation of 8,000 feet above sea level, the area supports temperate coniferous forest, temperate broadleaf, and mixed forest ecoregion habitats. The 7 major villages and 3 small towns of Tandiani, Natia Gali, and Khanspur surround Ayubia National Park. The national park was established as a resort complex by combining 4 small resorts in Galiyat, namely Khera Gali, Changla Gali, Khanspur, and Goda Dhaka. It was established with the goal of safeguarding temperate forests. The climate of the park is cool in the summers but harsh in the winters. The park remains snow-capped through the latter part of winters. Mukshpuri is a 9,200 feet high mountain located 90 kilometers north of Islamabad, just above Dunga Gali in the Ayubia National Park. It is the second highest peak in the Galiyat region after Miranjani, which is located at 9,816 feet. Much of the mountain is covered with western Himalayan subalpine conifer forests. The route from Natia Gali on the mountain's western side is a steady 4-kilometer hike. The mountain also has a route on the Dunga Gali side with a steeper slope that is common nowadays. The Mukshpuri top is a lovely meadow filled with stunning chrysanthemum, ranunculus, and potentilla flowers and green grasses. Every year, more than 100,000 people visit Ayubia National Park and the surrounding areas, which is located around 26 kilometers from the tourist hotspot of Murray Hill Station. It is famous for its picnic areas. The pipeline walking track, which extends from Ayubia to Dunga Gali and is 4 kilometers long, is also located in the national park. Since this area attracts a very large number of tourists annually, there is a large number of hotels and restaurants around the park. In addition to riding trails, hiking places, picnic spots, and motels, there is a chairlift in Ayubia that takes the tourists to a nearby summit. This chairlift was the first recreation facility of its kind in Pakistan and is still a major attraction for domestic tourists. The famous PTDC model is also located here. The park holds more than 100 species of plants. The main plant species are Dear, which is the national tree of Pakistan, blue pine, yew, silver fir, horse chestnut, and oak. Around 30 plant species are known for their medicinal properties. Some of the common medicinal plants are Atropa belladonna, Dioscorea deltoidea, Paeonia amodi, Podophyllum hexandrum, Taxus wallichiana, and Urtica dioica. Many of these are used in treatment of jaundice, stomach ulcers, snake bites, internal infections, diabetes, psoriasis, and more. Some plants are said to have anti-carcinogenic, insecticide, and pesticide effects. There are 23 mammals, 203 birds, and 13 herpetofauna in the park. Some of the mammals found in the park are Indian leopard, leopard cat, golden jackal, red fox, yellow-throated marten, Central European boar, serotine bat, and rhesus macaque. Some of the Himalayan specialty birds like pheasants, pigeon, dove, barbet, Himalayan cuckoo, and eagles contribute to the beauty of the park. The park has been managed by Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Wildlife Department under the 1975 Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Wildlife Act. The headquarters of the park is at Bunga Gali,